What's up guys, my name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. If you couldn't tell by the video thumbnail, we are going to be taking a look at the Viking Hard Phantom saddlebags. I just got these in. We are at the dealership right now, if you could not tell. I wanted to show you guys the contents of what's in this box and then kind of walk you through the process, the installation, all of that, and then the end result. So this might be a two-part video, I'm not sure, but let's take a look at these hard bags. So it looks like we've got the license plate relocation kit. I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to be going a different route. I'm going to get the integrated taillight, but it is nice that Viking sends you that with the bags in case you needed it. We've got all of the mounting hardware here. Looks like we've got the brackets and a lot of different hardware to install the bag. With these bags, you are going to have to drill your own holes and size it up yourself. You gotta mock it up yourself, line it up where you want it to be, and then drill the holes. I'm going to get these bags painted. I'm going to mock it up first before I get them painted. I feel like that's what I should do, is go ahead and just mock it up, drill the hole, get it all ready. Looks like we got some keys here. That's gonna be nice. These are locking saddlebags. I am excited to get these on the bike. Well, if you don't know who I am, my name is Miles. I sell Harleys here at Independence Harley-Davidson. If you live in the area, make sure you stop by and say what's up to me. But the next step with this is gonna be mocking them up and putting them on the bike before I get them painted. So thanks for tuning in. Let's see where this takes us. So, thanks for tuning in. Let's see what this... So, thanks for tuning in. Let's see where this takes us, and fuck off.